Hi, hello guys, how are you? First, before to starting this video, I want to ask you, have you had problems growing your business? Okay, think it and maybe is connect with the social medias, with the publicity in the different platforms. Okay. Okay, I am Ana Sofia Martinez Chaparro. I am 18 years old. I am an university student in the career Marketing and Commercial Strategic. I am 18 years old. I am an university student in the career Marketing and Commercial Strategic. Okay, today I'm going to tell you tips to take into account in your business. Why this? Because some business can decrease in they recognize because they don't have into account the real importance of the digital marketing, of the segmentation, of the golden circle. Okay, without more blah blah blah, I'm going to tell you tips to take into account in your business. First, the segmentation is a group of people with similar characteristics and needs, also wishes, and there are segments for every industry and market category. Who I am selling to, which is my target, which is my ideal consumer. Okay, the segmentation importance is classified in three. First, this allows you to have a defined audience. You have to know which is your ideal consumer. You have to know if you want to sell to kids, youngs, older people, if your product is in which category, and you have to understand which is your consumer. Okay. Second, get to know the consumer better, and in this point you have to understand that know your consumer is the most important to the company. Don't forget that the consumer, that the user, that the people that want your service or your product is the reason to exist of your business. The consumer, the client, the user is all for you. You have to understand that their opinion, their comment, their suggestions and more have to have a real importance for you. Okay? And third, this is an important tool to be able to create brand relationship with the consumer. The relationship or the connection between consumer brand or consumer company, consumer industry is real important. The consumer have to feel part of you, of your brand. They want be part of the family of your service, your product, your company. The relationship have to have hand to hand. Example, tell me you have commentaries, you like, you don't like. You have to understand the consumer is everything, is the reason to be, to exist, to the company, to the brand, to the entrepreneur. Okay, it's important that you have on count that the attention for the consumer is really, really essential. You can starting with the attention with small things like a personalized message in your delivery with your product. You will feel good when you received a card with your name. For example, "Hi Magda, how are you? Welcome to the Diamond family." With message like this, the consumer, wow, they haven't count my name. They haven't count that I am not a common consumer. This is a consumer, the unique, the special, and the best consumer. All people need attention, and the consumer need more attention from the brand. Okay, after the segmentation, we can find the golden circle. What is the golden circle? What? The golden circle is a real important tool on the business, on the companies, on the entrepreneurs. Is really important. What is this? It's a circle that is classified in three. In the center is the why. Around of this is how. And in the exterior you can find what. Why? Why are you doing the things is special for the consumers? Why is the reason to exist of the company? Why are you doing these products and no others? Okay, in the why it's important that you understand that the people are not looking for products, okay? They are looking for experience, joy, brands that go according to their goals and motivations with this. You have to selling more than products. You must sell a value, emotions, or experience. You not only sell a lipstick, you are selling the beauty, the life, the energy, and the happiness to their face. You have to sell more than a product. In the middle of the golden circle, you can find how. What is how? You have to understand what is the value proposition of your brand. What are you offering to the consumer more than a product? It's important that the consumer doesn't see your brand like a product. You have to understand that you aren't a product. You aren't more than a product. It's more than a topic of the intangible and tangible things. What is the need that you are satisfying with your product, with your service? And in the last part of the circle, you can find what. In this part, you have to understand with what type of product do you solve a problems or needs or wish. You have to be clear about what do you want to sell. You in this part have to describe what is the products that you offer. These products have to be connected with a need, with a wish, with a satisfied to needs, okay? And your product is the solution for these needs, for this wish, for this problem. The excuse is your product. The golden circle is really important for new entrepreneurs, for new business, for all companies. Is really important. It's a reason to exist the company. The third topic that I'm going to talk you is the external variables in purchasing decisions. First, the motivation. Second, the things. Third, answer, and last, the reinforcement. First, in the motivation, you have to understand the difference between needs and wish are not the same, okay? In the motivation, you have to find the form to call the attention of the consumer. You have to know which is the strategy for create the brand conscience. You have to know to invent, to create the form to arrive to consumer, to call the attention of your ideal consumer. You have to motivate them to be interested in your brand. Why your brand yes, and why the competence no. Second, in the part of the things, you can find what is the things that you are using to your target, to your consumers, to receive your message. This is important of the merchandising. How are you arriving to the ideal consumer? How I sell my brand? I sell like a product, like an experience, like a solution. Third, the answers. The answers is really important. They are telling you how is the consumer reaction to their things. They are doing a purchase. You increase in social media. You are in the top of mind of the people. They are interested in your product or really don't have of your existence. All consumer behavior is an answer. And last, you can find the reinforcement. What is the reinforcement? Is the publicity. Is like you are arriving to the public, to their consumers with some strategies. ATL publicity, OTL, classical publicity in cards, in message, in social media. What is the reinforcement that you are doing for your brand? For be more recognized and how to achieve the top of mind in the category in the mind of the consumer. And to finish with the tips, I'm going to tell you 6 points that show the importance of the digital market for the companies. First, guarantee a strong presence in the internet. When you are searching, choose a store of sport. What is the store that you are thinking now? Adidas? Nike? This is the top of mind that the consumer, and in the internet also is the more important presence. This point guarantee this. You have to do an excellent presence in the internet, in the social medias, in the top of mind on the consumer. Second, with a qualified audience. This is connect with the segmentation. You have to choose excellent what is the people that you want to sell your products. 3. Talk to the right audience at the right time. You have to understand that the social medias have a special schedules. You have to find the perfect time to speak with the consumer. 4. Stand out about the competition. You have to know who are you, and you have to understand where is your competence. What is the different value that you have and the competence don't have.